Hello. So, just as I promised, I am here showing you the entire process of how I painted my eco friendly Ganpati Murti. So, we got him from my room to the dining area, and I was so scared doing this also because the Murti has some weight and I didn't want to mess up anything. This is what my Murti looks like, beautiful. So, pair padke with the Spotify playlist in the background, I got started. I decided to cover all the parts where the skin is showing. I used exclusively poster colors only. I'll give you my reason why I did that, very conscious reason. But look at how long it takes to paint just a specific part of the murti. This is a 10-second long clip, and just it's it's mesmerizing how the entire creation comes to life from that gray background to the white wash, and then now finally deciding the color. I was like, we will have a cohesive color scheme this time because this time Bappa is wearing dupatta also. Last time उन्होंने दुपट्टा नहीं पहना था. So I was like, okay, I will have some cutesy clothes. So we decided with pink and shades of red and pink basically. And look at is the dancing that I have done during this night is crazy. Okay, so I had mentioned this before, right? Like things they do break, and this has happened. Three of the fingers have come off. I took off one of the thumb here because it looked like the murti had six fingers. I didn't want to do that. So this happens, and you can fix it. So just don't worry, okay? What I do usually is I apply the slurry on the specific part and then just stick that broken piece on its place. The other thing that I do, if there is a vast area from which the pieces come off, is I'll scrape and get rid of some of that mud, attach another layer of slurry, and then paste
Once
it.
Bappa is in the mandap, nothing should be
This
coming
had
off.
happened with me last year.
I think there is another big murti coming in the area. बहुत फटाके फूटने लगेंगे. Yep, must be murti coming up.
And then I started with the red portion. I did do gradient in this murti, again a big challenge. I decided to challenge myself with this murti because this murti on its own is a big challenge. Last year का जो मेरा मूर्ति था was not this detailed. इस बार का मूर्ति कुछ ज़्यादा ही detailed मैंने बना दिया. I don't know why, and I don't know how the entire मूर्ति इतनी आसानी से बन भी गया. I didn't have a hard time as such. So another great thing, a very big upgrade from my last murti. But lots of dancing, lots of not being able to find the angle, and lots of knocking over things, knocking over my laptop. I was worried that I'll break either some part of the hands or I'll break the backdrop. I was super worried about that, but somehow nothing broke, nothing is broken yet, and अच्छे से विसर्जन हो जाएगा. अच्छे से पापा 1.5 दिन रहेंगे हमारे साथ and will bless us. And I was just seeking blessings during this time. Some music. Okay, so the only part where I used acrylic color was for the jewelry part. I didn't use acrylic at all in the entire murti because I think that kind of defeats the purpose of having eco-friendly Ganpati. Because if you notice, the acrylic colors do have an element of plastic in it. So what is the use of having a eco-friendly Ganpati but then you paint it with acrylic colors, or use glue or something to attach ornaments onto Ganpati Bappa, right? क्योंकि अगर आप hot glue gun use करोगे, that is molten plastic which you use as glue. So I had realized those things and I had decided that okay, yeah, no acrylic colors anymore. It is 4:45 and the murti is almost ready. I was just going through Instagram and I saw that गणपति की आँखों को जब भी पेंट करते हैं तो वो कुछ बहुत मतलब बड़ा चीज़ होता है. So I'm going to record that part without any fast forward. That is the part that scares me all the time. Not me saying please buy before starting, but this in entirety is a 9-minute long clip of me just painting the eyes, and my hands they shiver a lot, and especially with something which is so important, मतलब आँखें तो मेन चीज़ है मूर्ति की, एंड उसी के लिए मुझे आई एम एक्सट्रीमली कॉन्शियस.
I can't see it.
It was so late at night and I was so exhausted that I was not able to see anything. So I brought in this small portable LED light thingy, and this is how I was working in the eyes. This is a 8x speed wala clip, and you can hear the TikTok in the background. Right? That the clock, the TikTok, and my hands shivering.
Now's the part which I don't want to do this. Okay, I don't want to outline the eyes. I am super scared, but I have to do it. Yeah,
I did start outlining the eyes. I did outline the eyes. I was super scared the entire time. I'm scared right now also. अभी तो बंद भी चुकी हैं आँखें, but I'm scared even now. That was sign number one. This is sign number two.
that was super stressful, but we are here. I see that one of the eye is a little too thick. I will try to make changes in it kal baad mein, later,
And this
not right
is
now.
what the murti looks like. We are done. I am so proud of myself. I made the bindi also. I was feeling as if something was missing in the murti. I later realized by looking at the murti for too long that he looks pale. That is because I used the poster color, and poster color का जो peach color होता है does not have any warmth to it.
It's 7 in the morning, but we are done. Bye bye bye. क्या short है. We are done.
I went to sleep at 7:30. I woke up at 12:30, and that was the best day. In all, I've spent around roughly 16 to 18 hours making the complete murti. And while I was a little unsatisfied with the way the murti looked because it lacked warmth in his skin, it looks magnificent now. I have no other words but that my initial hunch with the मूर्ति looking a little too pale has gone away. अभी जब भी मैं पूरी मूर्ति देखती हूँ, अभी जब भी मैं देखती हूँ कि वो बराबर से अपने आसन पे बैठ चुके हैं, it looks amazing. I do not know how I'm going to top this murti next year. I don't know what I'm going to do, but oh my god. Okay. So I am not posting the final look of the murti in this video. I am going to be posting all of those things on my Instagram. Go ahead and check it out. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.